Okay, sometimes if you're making a creature, you can't find clothes that you want for them, so you might have to try to make your own. What I took was a 5T pair of pants, and I drew an outline on the cardboard and cut it out. So this will give me a general size to make a pair of pants. I did the same thing with the top. I took a 5T, laid it out, drew it out on a piece of cardboard, and cut it out to use that as a pattern. So it's like I say, sometimes you can't find what you want. So it's like I made these. These are clown pants. And that'll be a clown shirt. And I did this in the back here so you don't have to reach up underneath the clothes. Again, this is going to be for a different clown. As like I said, and if you can find the clothes, sometimes they're really, really expensive. So, and then there's the top for that. And if you don't know how to sew, maybe your mom or your sister or your girlfriend, or you just have a friend that can sew it for you. It's not that hard. It'd be another pair of pants for a clown. That I'm making 3 different clowns. And there's that. Now, like for my dragons out there, I couldn't find what I wanted for dragons, so I just made the pants and the top. And again, it's cut out so you can get your hand back in here. So that's what you can do to make clothes. And like I said, if you don't know how to sew, I didn't know how to sew either. But I just learned as I went. So if you don't know how to, maybe you got a friend that can do it for you. It doesn't have to be real fancy. So that's how I make clothes. But again, it's 5T. I used 5T as a pattern. There's another pair of pants and a top. And here's a, maybe if I'm going to do maybe a rabbit, you can do gray, or a donkey, you could use gray. Or if I have something that's going to be orange, I've got an orange outfit. Thanks for watching.